Search engine optimization, known as SEO, is like fishing. You're constantly refining your approach and in turn can pull in more fish. If the fish aren't biting, something's got to change. Just like fishing, it takes time to develop the skills needed or to even know where you're lacking. But even if you're new to the scene, everyone is in reach of a fish fry. In this video, we'll dive into solutions that will elevate your online presence and improve your search engine rankings. Let's get started. Number 1, swift site speed. Attention span is everything nowadays, down to the second. A speedy connection yells, "I've got it together," while a slow load time screams, "Time to click off to another site." There are many free and paid SEO programs to choose from, and we've ranked them all in another article, linked below. Number 2, engaging video content. If you're not creating video content to attract and keep viewers engaged, you're falling behind in the market trends. It doesn't have to be spectacular. Number 3, social media integration. A simple social media awareness campaign doesn't hurt anybody. You can expand your audience, get feedback, and funnel viewers to your website. Number 4, mobile website optimization. The majority of today's viewers are searching on mobile devices. It's crucial to optimize your visibility for every device like iPads, phones, computers, maybe even virtual reality soon. Number 5, missing a Google My Business profile. Make sure you're official in the eyes of Google. A My Business profile is recommended to take your rankings to the next level, especially locally. Number 6, metadata optimization. Metadata is the small description on Google that typically displays on search engine results pages. When you have no metadata or lackluster descriptions, you immediately appear untrustworthy to search engines and to viewers. Number 7, ignoring local SEO. People near you need to know you exist and that you are close by. Make sure you're on the map for locals to easily find. Number 8, image, video. Optimization. Optimizing video will allow you to be competitive in video rankings. This includes video tags, captions, and relevant content. Number 9, poor internal linking. Implement a strong internal linking structure to aid in search engine discovery and indexation. Don't forget to reference our top choices for free and paid SEO programs. Number 10, inadequate keyword research. Conduct thorough keyword research, focus on long-tail keywords, and consider user intent. Keywords are like your bait. What do the fish like to eat? Number 11, broken links. Replace, delete, or redirect broken links to relevant content to continue your conversion stream. Number 12, bad reviews on Google. Reply to negative reviews to build relationships with customers and encourage positive reviews on industry-specific sites and social media platforms. Number 13, lack of SSL HTTPS. Security matters. Ensuring you implement SSL HTTPS on your website will provide confidence to visitors and strengthen your online presence. By avoiding these common SEO mistakes, you can refine your SEO strategy and achieve long-term success. Stay updated on the latest SEO best practices and reel in the rewards of improved visibility, increased traffic, and sustained growth. We'd love to help you develop the perfect video project for your brand and an SEO strategy to go with it. To learn more about Bottle Rocket Media's video production services, visit bottlerocketmedia.net.